From stunning kitchens to luxurious bathrooms, we transform your dream home into reality, one room at a time. We do full interior home renovation. We specialize in custom cabinetry. We do customized kitchens, customized bathrooms. The biggest challenge when someone's going to remodel their home is seeing exactly what they like and putting that vision into reality. We bring all of our samples. We see what their taste is, what they like, and how they like to do it. All the way from the stone, porcelain flooring, tile flooring, ceramic flooring, see what kind of door style they would like for their cabinetry, and we'll customize it to order, whatever they like. We offer an alternative to large format tile by taking full slabs of porcelain and installing them into your bathrooms or showers. Creates an elegant, virtually seamless look with zero grout. A successful project is we do our turnaround time as expected, and the customer is completely happy. Before they sign off on it, I want to make sure they're smiling. You can go to phoenix-homeremodeling.com.